A small UV printer that can print on almost anything. Prints 3D texture, can make UVDTF stickers, and can print on tumblers with a rotary. And you also get cool glasses. This little machine is a game changer. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and I am the creator behind Lily Rose Craft Room. And this is the EufyMake E1, the world's first personal UV printer with 3D texture. And my most favorite part of this machine is the zero maintenance. You can print on almost anything that's just under 4 inches in height straight inside the printer and it will print on it. This printer is 23 by 16 inches and weighs 44 pounds. It has a max print load of 3.31 pounds. The color profile of this printer is CMYKW and G for gloss. It's super simple to use. It has dual lasers that automatically detects the height of your material. The software is super easy to use as well. You import your image, you place your image directly on the material in the software and it prints directly on it. This machine has a JetClean cartridge on the side of the machine and it does all the dirty work for you so you don't have to. So all you have to do is have this machine plugged in at all times and it will automatically do the cleaning for you. So every hour or so I would hear this machine like doing its clicks and clacks. So that's when I know that it's cleaning. Another cool feature is that if you were to go on vacation and the printer has been idle for 3 days, the printer gets put into a sleep mode. It uses a JetClean fluid to clean the nozzles and then it fills them with the moisturizing fluid. So once you're back from vacation, you can start printing again. So let's start with this question first. What is UV printing? UV printing is a printing technique that utilizes UV light to cure the ink as it's being printed, resulting in a quick, durable, and high quality finish. The UV light triggers a chemical reaction in the UV ink that causes it to harden and adhere to the surface instantly. Next, let's talk about what comes in the box. What's in the box? I got the answers here. We have the UV printer, obviously. We have a mini and a standard flatbed. So it comes with 2 flatbeds. We have the mini and standard adhesive mat. So this is the sticky mat that's gonna go on our flatbeds, the mini and the standard. This one also comes with power cable, a power adapter, some super cool UV protective goggles, a quick start guide, free substrate. So you're gonna get free material that you can use to test UV printing on. You also get an air filter and a hex key. Next, let's talk about the standard bed. It can print up to 13 by 16.5 inches. You open the doors for a pass-through. So this is perfect for bulk items or large prints. This one right here is a 12 by 16 inch metal plate and I printed on it. This has a 3D texture as well. So the Eufy printer can print up to 5 millimeters in height. So this one I did slightly raise, not too crazy, but this came out amazing. And this is, like I said, on metal. And this one right here, I printed on a 12 by 16 inch canvas and the colors came out amazing. The text, everything so crisp and so clear. It came out amazing. And I slightly raised the flowers just a little tiny bit so I can give it a little bit of texture. But overall, this 12 by 16 inch canvas came out amazing. Another thing that can be printed on the standard plate is UVDTF stickers. So I'm gonna get more into this later on in the video, but I did wanna show you that with the standard size plate, I was able to fit 3 UVDTF stickers on this. And these are perfect for cup wraps. So I know you guys been seeing these all over Instagram, all over TikToks, all over the markets around town. So yes, you can print UVDTF stickers with the flatbed, but you will also need the laminator accessory. But like I said, I will get into it later on in the video. Switching the plates on these is really easy. Under right here, there is a little lever. You just switch over and you lift it up and you bring it out. Here's what it looks like inside. This is like a slot where the bed just falls into place. Here you have your unlock and your lock button. So to lock it, you just slide it over, but once you have the bed on. And these plates are they're very, very light. So you easily just put it on where it falls into place. And then to lock it, you just slide it over. The cool thing about this printer is that it will automatically detect what plate you have on, whether it be the mini plate, the standard plate, or your rotary. When you lock it into place, it will automatically know in the software. Now let's talk about the mini flatbed. So the size of this flatbed is 13 by 3.5 inches. It's perfect for smaller projects like magnets, coasters, phone case, or anything that can fit on the bed size. This is a golf ball that I printed on. It came out so cool, and these will be such a good hit for Father's Day. And then also for teacher appreciation, I printed on wooden dry erasers. So full color print. This is a white layer underneath and then a color. And then also, of course, some coasters. There's cork on the back. These are ceramic coasters. Here's another coaster. I did print this one on a standard quality just to see if there's much of a difference. But to be honest, I can't even tell because the quality on this one is still really amazing for it being standard quality. This printer can also print 3D texture. It could print up to 5 millimeters thick. And even though they look crazy amazing, I will warn you, if you choose to make large 3D prints, it will consume a lot of white ink, since it uses the white ink to build up the layers and it tops it off with a colored layer. So be prepared. If you plan on making a lot of crazy 3D prints, you will run out of white faster than the other colors. Here's one of the magnets I did with the Relief 3D texture, and I think this one was like close to 3 millimeters high. But the way this feels, it's very, very hard. Like it cured it very hard. It feels like a rock. It feels like it's part of the ceramic, and you can see that it does print white first to build up the white layer, and then it tops it off with the color. So that's why I say if you're going to do a lot of 3D printing, especially like big art pieces, you will run out of white faster than the other colors. Here's another magnet that I did with the Relief texture, the 3D effect. I think this one was, I want to say less than 2 millimeters, and it's still really, really 3D, as you can see. And I'm telling you, I will break a nail before I scratch this because this is really rock hard. And just the fact that this printer is able to do 3D effects is just amazing. Now moving on to the Rotary Attachment. This rotary is very light, and it also has the little slot right here where you just place it into your printer, slide the lock, and it will automatically recognize it. And the rotary is so easy to use. Once you attach your tumbler and you hit measure in the software, it has dual lasers that will automatically level and measure the cup for you. So all you need to do is place your image on your cup and hit print. It's that easy. I wanted to show you how easy it is to put the tumbler on the rotary. You just simply put the front lip on there, and then you slide this here and you put the end of the tumbler on these rollers, and that's it. There's a little slider right here, and you just slide that over, and that's going to help rotate the cup. Currently, it only supports tumblers with flat surfaces. So no, you cannot put a Stanley because it has steep curves. But you can use a laminator accessory to make UVDTF stickers to apply onto your Stanley. So there's also different ways to customize your Stanleys with the EufyMake printer. Now, say you have a cup that needs a little bit more support. This rotary also comes with extender accessories. So let me show you how you put them on. This is what they look like. These are magnets. So they just simply and easily just fall into place, just like that. And then same with the front. And then also this piece screws right onto right here. Here's one of the cups that needed a little bit more support. I just put it in like that, push the bottom, and see, you can tell the difference. And it put more support on the front and on the back. And really quick, I just want to talk about how amazing the quality it is. Like, look at her face. It's beautiful. And the colors, very, very vibrant. Next, moving on to the UV laminating machine. So this does not come with the printer, it's sold separately, it is an accessory. So if you plan on making UVDTF stickers, you will need this laminating machine. With the EufyMake E1, you can make UVDTF stickers. So these are not to be confused with DTF printing for apparel. These will not stick to fabrics. So these are more for hard surfaces like, for example, tumblers. This process requires A and B film. The A film is the sticky side you print on. The B film works as a transfer. First, you'll print on your A film. Once the print is done, you'll need to run it through the laminator that will then laminate it on the B film. And then you'll have yourself your own UV printed DTF stickers. And this works both on the mini plate and the standard plate. So if you want little stickers, you can just use the mini plate, but if you wanted more bulk stickers or larger stickers, you use the standard plate. The EufyMake E1 can also be incorporated with your laser machines as well. You can cut your material on your laser and then put it on your printer, or you can also print before you laser cut. I did make some really cute cake toppers with my UV printer. First, I brought my clear acrylic into my Thunder laser. I cut my outline, and then I brought it into my EufyMake UV printer and I printed on it. I will warn you that UV ink is not food safe, so I did make the sticks long enough that it will not touch the cake. Overall, I've been loving this machine so much. There is so many things to be printed on and I've had so many different ideas, and there is so much money to be made with the EufyMake E1. If you guys are interested in your own EufyMake UV printer, I do have an affiliate link down in the description below. If you use my link, I do get a small commission, and this is a way of helping support my channel and also helps me to create these videos for you guys. If you guys watched this video until the end, thank you guys so much. Show me by putting heart emojis down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It all helps my channel grow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.